Hey guys, so today I have the THINKWARE ARC. This is a really nice dash cam that records with two channels, so front and rear cameras are both included. Both cameras have 2K QHD quality, which is super nice and very visually clear. Inside the box, you get both the front camera and the rear camera. The front camera is a nice size that's quite slim, and it attaches to your windshield, the top of your windshield, with this little mount. So just remove the VHB tape and then connect it to this, and you can pivot it like so. On the side of the dash cam, there is the power switch and also the SD card input. They do provide you with a 32 gigabyte card from the start, so that's pretty nice bonus. The screen on the back is a nice size, full color, and very nice visuals. Inside the box, they give you everything you need, including the power cord for your 12 volt, and they also give you a hardwire cable kit if you want to hardwire it into your vehicle. And then right here, you have the cable to attach the rear camera all the way in the back of your vehicle. They even include the GPS sensor, and then you have a whole bunch of different VHB routing clips for routing the cabling, and an extra piece right here. Also some paperwork as well, and a little tool to get you started on pushing that cable into a nice clean look. Overall, if you're looking for a high quality dash cam, the THINKWARE ARC definitely provides, with 2K QHD quality on both the front and the rear. Overall, a great buy and a really nice dash cam.